Are you struggling with issues on Windows 11 and wondering why your PC isn't working like it should? Windows 11 brings a sleek design and new features, but like any operating system, it comes with some common problems that many users face. Today, we'll break down these issues and explain what's happening so you can handle them effectively in 2025. One of the most common problems is slow performance. Over time, PCs can get bogged down by unnecessary files, background apps, or outdated drivers. This can make boot times longer and programs run sluggishly. Regular maintenance like disk cleanup, managing startup programs, and updating drivers can help restore speed. Another frequent issue is compatibility problems. Some older software or hardware devices may not fully support Windows 11, causing crashes or errors. It's important to check for updates from the manufacturer or use compatibility mode to run older applications safely. Many users also face network and Wi-Fi connectivity issues. This can happen due to outdated network drivers, router problems, or misconfigured settings. Restarting your router, updating drivers, and using Windows Network Troubleshooter can usually solve these connection problems. Blue screen of death, BSOD errors, are another concern. These often indicate hardware or driver issues. Keeping your system updated, checking for faulty hardware, and running Windows built-in diagnostic tools can help prevent or fix BSOD occurrences. Windows 11 users sometimes experience taskbar or start menu glitches. This can include unresponsive icons or missing items. Restarting Windows Explorer, applying system updates, or performing a quick system scan usually resolves these minor annoyances. Finally, storage and file management issues can arise, such as missing files, full drives, or difficulty organizing data. Using tools like StorageSense, Cloud Backup, and proper file organization keeps your system running smoothly and prevents data loss. By understanding these common Windows 11 problems and how to address them, you can maintain a stable, fast, and reliable PC experience in 2025.
Yeah.
If this video helped you identify and solve Windows 11 issues, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more Windows tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.